Assalamu alaikum students. Lesson 12. Uncle Podger hangs a picture. Let's continue our exercise from page 127, part C, learning about language. This part is about tenses. So the first question is change the following sentences from the present continuous tense to the past continuous tense. Add a suitable time phrase to each sentence. So here we have these sentences in present continuous tense and we need to change these all into past continuous tense. Present continuous tense उर्दू फिक्रे के आखिर में अगर रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, आता है तो इसका मतलब है कि ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस को फॉलो कर रहे हैं। इन टेंसेस का बेसिक फॉर्मूला है सब्जेक्ट काम करने वाला या फाइल is are am. These are our helping verbs we'll use afterwards according to our subject. Then we'll have first form of verb plus ing, and at the end of the sentence we'll add an object या मफूल. So ऐसे sentences जो इस फॉर्मूला को फॉलो करेंगे वो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस के होंगे. इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंसेस उर्दू फिक्रे के आखिर में अगर रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आता हो तो वो जुमले पास्ट कंटिन्यूस के होंगे और इनका फार्मूला है सब्जेक्ट और यहाँ हमारे हेल्पिंग वर्ब के तौर पर यूज़ होंगे वॉज एंड वर. अगेन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing and at the end of this sentence there will be an object. So the basic difference is of helping verbs. This is what we need to do in our exercise. Sentences are given which follow this formula and we need to change them all into this one, the past continuous one. And obviously we'll add a time phrase to denote the time well. So the first one is the captain is shouting at his crew. In the past continuous tense it would be like the captain was shouting at his crew this morning. Captain इस सुबह अपने क्रू पर चिल्ला रहा था. The workers are on strike. The workers were on strike last week. Workers पिछले हफ्ते हड़ताल पर थे. The customer is complaining about the slow service. Yesterday the customer was complaining about the slow service. कल कस्टमर स्लो सर्विस के बारे में शिकायत कर रहा था. Shiraz is waiting patiently to see the doctor. This morning, Shiraz was waiting patiently to see the doctor. इस सुबह या आज सुबह शिराज डॉक्टर से मिलने के लिए सब्र से इंतज़ार कर रहा था. मंजूर is helping his father build a house. मंजूर was helping his father build a house last year. पिछले साल मंजूर घर तामीर करने में अपने फादर की अपने वालिद की मदद कर रहा था. So this is how all of these should be done. Now question number 2 is change the following sentences from past continuous tense to the future continuous tense. Don't forget to change the time phrase in each sentence. Here we have sentences in past continuous tense and we need to change them all into future continuous tense. Of course, we'll add a time phrase in each sentence. सो अगेन इन द फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस उर्दू फिक्रे के आखिर में अगर रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी वगैरह आता है सो इट मीन्स कि ये फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस का जुमला है. एंड द फॉर्मूला दीज टेंसेस फॉलो इज़ सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब के तौर पर हमारे पास यहाँ है विल बी और शैल बी. अगेन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस देयर इज़ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. So the first sentence is yesterday the gardener was watering the plants with a hose pipe. Tomorrow the gardener will be watering the plants with the hose pipe. माली कल hose pipe के साथ पौधों को पानी दे रहा होगा. Last week Atif was entertaining us with his songs. Tonight Atif will be entertaining us with his songs. आज रात आतिफ अपने गानों के साथ हमें इंटरटेन कर रहा होगा. This morning, a policeman was checking driving licenses on the highway. Next Sunday, policemen will be checking driving licenses on the highway. अगले इतवार पुलिसमैन हाईवे पर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस चेक कर रहे होंगे. The participants in the race were motoring across the desert last month. The participants in the race will be motoring across the desert next month. Last year, the ship was sailing between Karachi and Singapore. Next year, the ship will be sailing between Karachi and Singapore. So, here we have converted the sentences from past continuous to future continuous tenses. And you see, it was quite easy. So, that was all for today. Thank you so much.